Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. If you've watched my previous videos on Perplexity alternatives, you'll know that I'm not a fan of Perplexity due to its lack of value for the $20 monthly fee. It's just not worth it, in my opinion. Fortunately, with the emergence of multiple great open source models, you can now create your own viable Perplexity clones. However, there are still some issues with this approach. Firstly, you need to set it up on your local computer, which requires a good GPU and API keys to make it more useful. Moreover, if you've searched online, you'll find that there aren't many free and useful alternatives like Perplexity. But if you carefully watched my last Perplexity video, you'll recall that I mentioned another alternative called Morphic. Although it's open source and can be installed locally on your computer, I didn't use it in that video due to some limitations. But I still wanted to explore it further and see if it's a viable option for those who want to ditch Perplexity. The major issue was that it only supports the OpenAI API, and you can't use Llama or Groq with it when installed locally. Additionally, it requires tool usage, which Llama or Groq doesn't allow. However, it's a great option for those who can use an OpenAI API, and it's actually better than all the Perplexity alternatives I've tried so far. But there's also an option to use it without any kind of API keys, which is through their site. Morphic offers a website that allows you to use it for free with their own API keys without any configuration, just like Perplexity. So, in this video, I'll show you how to use it and install it locally with an OpenAI API key. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along easily. Let's get started. First, let me demonstrate how to use it without any local configuration through their website. Head over to morphic.sh. You'll see a simple UI with a text box where you can type in what you want to search. Above the box, you'll find a drop-down menu that allows you to select which model you want to use. You'll see 4 options. The first one is speed, which generates responses faster but with lower quality. I think it uses GPT-4 Turbo in this option. The second one is quality, which takes a little more time to generate responses, but offers better quality. I believe this option uses GPT-4, but I'm not sure. Then, there are 2 experimental features that they have added, both of which use Groq for the fastest inference speed. The first one uses a Llama 3.8b model, which is the fastest, and the second one uses a Llama 370b model, which is more quality-focused and a little slower. Let's try generating some responses. Let's ask it about Llama 3. It's pretty fast. Now, let's try it with the Groq option. To use the Groq option, you'll need to register yourself. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up. Now, let's give it the same prompt. This one is definitely faster than the earlier option, and because it uses Llama 3, it has better responses as well. Pretty cool. You can also ask follow-up questions, just like Perplexity, which is a great feature. You can literally see how easily something like Perplexity can be built. And the best part is that it's free and open source, unlike Perplexity. Anyway, this alternative is basically Perplexity, but for free. Now, let me show you how to set it up locally with your own OpenAI API key. Head over to the Morphic GitHub repo. Clone the repo to your local machine first. Scroll down and find the quick start guide. Don't run the first command, as we've already done that. Start from the second command instead. First, run these 2 commands. The first one will change your directory to Morphic. The second command requires you to have Bun installed. If you don't have it, go to the Bun website and follow their installation instructions. It's pretty easy. Now, run the command, and it will install the dependencies. Next, run this command. Once done, open the env local file with an editor and enter your OpenAI API key and Tavily API key. You can also specify a different model for the writer, like Groq or Ollama, which will only write the content, while the OpenAI API is used only for tools to retrieve information. This will help you reduce your OpenAI API costs. Anyway, once you've configured it, save it and run the last command, which will start the application on port 3000. Go ahead and open it in your browser, and you'll see that Morphic is now running. Use it all you want without any issues. Pretty cool. I really like this one, and you guys should definitely try it out and maybe just stop using Perplexity. I mean, why pay for something when you can get it for free, right? Let me know in the comments if you'll be using it. Also, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.